Have you ever wanted to see things far away more clearly? A binocular is the perfect tool for that. It has two lenses, allowing you to see distant objects clearly and in 3D. If you are looking for the best binoculars available in the market, then here are the top 5 excellent options that we found. Be sure to check out the description below. The 5th product on this list is the Leupold BX5 Santiam. The Leupold BX5 Santiam is designed for those who need powerful magnification in a compact and durable package. With 12x magnification, these binoculars are perfect for wide open spaces, allowing users to get a closer look at distant objects without losing clarity. Despite their high magnification, the binoculars are lightweight and easy to carry, thanks to their open bridge dual hinge design, which enhances both comfort and portability. One of the standout features of the Leupold BX5 Santiam is its rugged construction. They are 100% waterproof, fog-proof, and shockproof, making them ideal for use in any weather conditions, from heavy rain to intense sun. The proprietary gas blend and seals ensure they remain reliable even when submerged to 33 feet or exposed to pressure changes, making them perfect for adventurous outdoor activities like hiking or hunting. The binoculars also feature Leupold's guard ion lens coating, which helps shed water, dirt, and fingerprints. This ensures a clear and crisp image at all times, even in less than ideal conditions. The smooth focusing system allows for fine adjustments, ensuring users can quickly and easily focus on the subject. With a professional-grade optical system, the Leupold BX5 Santiam delivers exceptional light transmission, glare reduction, and clarity, ensuring outstanding performance in challenging environments. Whether you're a hunter, nature enthusiast, or outdoor adventurer, these binoculars will meet your needs with excellent precision and reliability. The 4th product on this list is the Kowa Genesis Prominar. The Kowa Genesis Prominar is a remarkable example of advanced optical technology designed to provide a stunning viewing experience. Each model in this range features Kowa's legendary XD objective lenses, which are made from high-resolution ED glass containing large amounts of fluorite crystal. This material is known for its excellent light transmission, offering clear, sharp images with natural colors and minimal chromatic aberration. The multi-coating technology enhances light transmission even further, ensuring vibrant and high-contrast views, while the Kowa coating repels dirt and water, keeping the lenses clean for optimal performance. These binoculars are not only impressive in terms of optics, but also in their design and handling. Built with a non-slip, streamlined body, the Kowa Genesis Prominar is easy and comfortable to hold for extended periods. The magnesium alloy body in the 44 and 22 models adds strength while keeping the binoculars lightweight, making them perfect for outdoor adventures. With smooth, solid hinges, twist-up eye cups, and an ultra-responsive focus wheel, using these binoculars is a breeze, offering quick adjustments to suit individual preferences. Durability is another key feature. The Kowa Genesis Prominar is fully waterproof and nitrogen-filled, ensuring reliable performance in all weather conditions. The rugged rubber armor makes them tough enough to withstand the demands of nature, and the close focus ability makes them versatile for both distant and near observations. Still haven't found the best binoculars for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The 3rd product on this list is the Maven B6. The Maven B6 is an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts who need a portable and high-performance optic. Designed with a sleek black and gray finish, it is available in both 10x and 12x magnification, offering a great balance between size and powerful zoom. With a 50mm objective lens diameter, the B6 ensures bright and clear views even in low-light conditions. One of the standout features of the Maven B6 is its superior brightness and light transmission. Thanks to a larger objective lens and an enhanced Schmidt-Petchen prism, this binocular significantly improves image clarity, making it perfect for activities like hiking, hunting, or sports viewing. It is especially ideal for those who want a lightweight option without sacrificing brightness or field of view. Built with quality materials, the Maven B6 is part of Maven's Elite B series of optics. This line is known for delivering high-end performance at a fraction of the price of more expensive brands. The binocular comes with essential accessories, including a neoprene neck strap, lens caps, and a double-layered microfiber storage bag for easy and safe carrying. Whether you're spotting wildlife, enjoying a sporting event, or exploring the outdoors, the Maven B6 provides an excellent viewing experience. It's a perfect blend of portability, durability, and exceptional performance, making it a top choice for adventurers and nature lovers. The second product on this list is the Leica Noctivid. The Leica Noctivid is an exceptional choice for anyone passionate about observing the world with crystal-clear precision. Designed for adults, these binoculars combine cutting-edge technology with remarkable craftsmanship to offer an unparalleled viewing experience. Whether you're birdwatching, hiking, or exploring new landscapes, the Noctivid delivers sharp, vibrant images that bring the scenery to life. One of the standout features of the Leica Noctivid is its compact and lightweight design, making it portable and easy to carry on any adventure. Despite its robust build, it fits comfortably in your hands, allowing for extended use without discomfort. Its 8x magnification and 42mm objective lens diameter strike the perfect balance, offering a wide field of view while maintaining excellent detail. The binoculars feature a roof prism system, ensuring superior clarity and brightness, even in low-light conditions. This makes them ideal for dawn or dusk outings when wildlife is most active. With a 7.7-degree angle of view, the Noctivid provides an immersive experience, capturing more of the scene in a single glance. Built to withstand the elements, the Leica Noctivid is waterproof, making it a reliable companion in all weather conditions. Whether you're exploring under sunny skies or navigating through rain, these binoculars are up to the challenge. Combining durability, portability, and high-performance optics, the Leica Noctivid is an excellent investment for outdoor enthusiasts seeking exceptional quality. Before we reveal the top binoculars on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news on the best products on the market. Finally, our top binocular is the Swarovski EL. It is a high-performance tool designed to deliver exceptional clarity and comfort for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're exploring nature, hunting, or attending a sporting event, these binoculars ensure an unparalleled viewing experience. With 12 times magnification, this model offers a closer look at distant objects, capturing intricate details that might otherwise go unnoticed. Its 50mm objective lens diameter enhances light transmission, delivering bright and vivid images even in low-light conditions. This feature makes it an excellent choice for early morning or late evening adventures. Designed for long-term use, the Swarovski EL binoculars come with 19mm eye relief, providing a comfortable viewing experience even during extended periods. The 4.2mm exit pupil diameter ensures a well-lit and sharp field of view, reducing eye strain and making it easier to focus on your subject. The binoculars also feature a compact and durable design, ensuring portability without compromising performance. A complete set of accessories, including a field bag, eyepiece cover, objective lens cover, and lift-carrying strap, adds convenience and protection, making it a reliable companion on any expedition. Whether you're tracking wildlife or enjoying a live event, this binocular combines functionality and ease of use to elevate your outdoor experience. Its superior craftsmanship and thoughtful design set it apart as a premium choice for adults seeking clarity and precision in their observations. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you can't wait for the next video, check out these two that we think you'd love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic techs you can't live without videos.